How to change language on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up X application, formerly known as Twitter. Now simply wait for some time. Then tap on the profile picture at the top left corner. Now simply tap on settings and privacy. Now simply tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on languages. Now select preferred language. Then tap on language. Now simply tap on show more and select a language. Then tap on next, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.